We're being asked about what is suggested about the story of Hans Castorp, so we'll just read the story of Hans Castorp that we intend to tell here, not for his sake, for the reader. We'll come to know him as a perfectly ordinary, if engaging young man, but for the sake of the story itself, which seems to be very much worth telling. So we know it is, for its own sake, it is his story. It took place a long time ago, and it's got to be told with verbs that are of the deepest past. I have no idea how the right answer is going to match this, but we just need to cross-check closely. Choice A, though it is true that stories of even the most uninteresting people, I don't know that Hans is the most uninteresting. That's extreme. Goodbye to A. Then choice B, even though it is a story of a person of no particular importance, its age and the manner in which it therefore must be told are both indicators that the story itself is important. We don't know that it being an old story makes it important. We just know that it is an important story. So B is going to need additional information as well. Then choice C, like all stories about the lives of inconsequential people, again, I don't know that he's inconsequential. All is going to be extreme. And then choice D, it is a remarkable story that happened to an unremarkable person. Yeah, he's ordinary. Though one could possibly argue that because the story is valuable, some of its value accrues to the person at its center. Good and bland. If I ever saw it, the correct answer is D.